So what I want to do, I don't know whether you're all familiar with the World Cancer Research Fund, so just to start with telling you a little bit about us, about the Continuous Update Project, our cancer prevention recommendations, but really focus on the evidence for plant foods and animal foods. So the World Cancer Research Fund, what we do, we fund research and we concentrate on the relationship between diet, physical activity, body fatness and cancer risk. We interpret that research, so that's really what I'm talking to you about today. So that's through the Continuous Update Project. And we use this to derive cancer prevention recommendations. So we also educate people through our national health information departments, and we advocate wider implementation of effective policies through our international policy and public affairs department. And we do all this to help people and populations reduce their chances of developing cancer.